All right, now, you see that gunk right there? Well, at least I thought it got it off. Yeah, let's clean some of it off. It stinks. But, yeah, it stinks, so what am I gonna do now? Oh, before I put that belly pan on, I want to clean these cylinders out. How about I turned the damn engine over to clean the cylinders and the damn crank fell out onto the ground. I don't think it hurt the journal. It did put a dent right here where it hit the, and I'm sure it probably put a dent somewhere else. I don't think it hurt the teeth count right there. Look, it might have hit right there, but I don't think it hurt the teeth count. It didn't break anything off. At least I don't think it did. Don't look like nothing is broke off. I just realized this doesn't say, it says general purpose, weather resistant anyway. But hell, it doesn't say anything about oil resistant. This is oil resistant. But hell, I'm using it on my what you call it? On my axle, and it ain't leaking. At least the last time I checked, my axle was leaking. I'm using this because it's easier to apply. It hurts my hand trying to push that other stuff out. Although this stuff stinks like a, reminds me slightly of a foul female. All right, so I don't know if you can see this or not. Let's see, can y'all see this? Yeah, you can see that. I'm going to squeeze it out. In case you can't see, I'm just squeezing it out on top. This stuff's a lot easier to move, to apply than the black stuff. All right, we got the crank. I got the cylinder in. I'm hoping my damn bearing don't fall off. Hope I'm going the right way. Okay, I don't think the bearing fell off. That's one thing I was worried about. Was the bearing falling off. And I don't have a rubber mallet. I meant to buy one. So what I'm going to use is a regular hammer and paper towel. And it is down. Now I'm gonna tell you what I was worried about. I was worried about this right here. And I don't think it matters. Can you see that? I don't think that matters. Because if it leaks here, I don't think it's gonna matter. Because I mean, I don't think it's gonna, it can only leak in there. I think that's all the way down. So, I guess I should have wiped this down. It's so dirty. All right, so before I turn it over and it decides to fall off again, I'm going to put a couple screws in it. Oh, let me see what this, yeah, still turn. Still turn easy. Oh hell, I ain't even tightened it down yet. But first I gotta clean this off and put the, oh, I didn't tell you. This is the old, ore manifold. I saw, okay, Uber Gear said that you're supposed to replace it with the new one. Another guy said you can reuse it. Well, I'm not gonna take any chances. I bought this from eBay. Let's see, Melodon or whatever. And I'm gonna tell you something. I can feel the gasket sticking out. Whereas this one, you can barely feel it. So I'm not gonna do a lot of scrubbing because again, this is just paint or whatever. Y'all know I should have cleaned this off before I put it on, but this engine is not as delicate as some people want to make it out to be. It can handle a little oil. I mean, it can handle a little dirt or whatever. But yeah, I should have cleaned this off before I put it on. And this stuff could get on my damn, we call it, my rods, bearings. But I'm gonna spray some on it, it'll be all right. Yeah, I know, don't build your engine like this. People, I know people losing their mind. Oh my God, it ain't gonna never run. If a little dirt could kill an engine, engine wouldn't last very long at all. Same thing I say about transmission. People talk about one piece of lint could mess up could jam up, what do you call it? What do you call it? passage or whatever. Oh, you can't get any dirt, the slightest. You're supposed to use, what is it? Non-lint towels or whatever. The slightest lint could jam up a circuit. If that was the case, transmission wouldn't last very long at all. And people say, man, I would not let Black work on my car. Look how he, whatever, man. You guys wouldn't do this anyway. You're too damn busy writing on the internet to do it. You got to put down the computer and go outside before you can do this. Again, I'm gonna blow this out some. Like I said, honestly, I should have cleaned this before I put it on, but I just forgot. I was so flustered by that damn seal not coming, fitting or whatever. All right, now that's good enough. If you can't see it, that's good enough. That don't mean anything right there. Let me get some air and blow this out. Yeah, I need to put some bolts in here because I don't want to turn this damn thing over and it fall out again. You know, I'm glad I decided to mark the bolts. Because I'm like, where is my damn tensioner bolt? I mean, my half shaft bolts. All these look like they're the same length. That works. That one don't want to go in. Went in, got tight. Do anybody remember what the torque spec is for these bolts? All right, so it's supposed to start in the middle, right? All right, so now we're gonna go over here. And we're gonna go over here. Hey, I see the silicone coming out. We're gonna go over here. And we're gonna go over here. And we're gonna come over here. And we're gonna go over here. All right, now how much torque am I supposed to put on this? I think y'all heard me say a million times. you don't torque 10mm bolts. Am I going in the right order? Don't know. Don't give a damn. Now somebody might say, well, Black, you're supposed to tighten down them bolts first. Might be right. We're gonna see will it work this way though. Hey, I see the gasket stuff coming out. Now, will those bolts go in? Don't know, we'll find out. All right, so crank still turn. Ooh, wonder what happens if you forget to put the old bolts in. Alright, so I guess I need to go ahead and put the bolts in. By the way, how much did this thing cost? I think it was $90 some, I think. I have to look back on, it was either 90 or 60. But as I was saying, these gaskets are raised on here. So how does it go? All right, I guess it go like this. And I think I'm supposed to put some 10mm bolts in before I put the thing bolts in. Inside oil pan. Oh, that's what it says. Inside. I'm like, what the hell is this? Inside oil pan. It's inside oil pan. But where on the inside? Because I know this is supposed to I think the oil pan goes around the perimeter. Not exactly sure. No, this is. I guess I need to go look at my video. I had a feeling this was going to get me. Some of these bolts go on the inside of the oil pan. Some of them go on the outside of the oil pan. The pickup goes right there. I think this goes right here. And I think this goes right here. And I think this right here goes right here. And I got two more to go somewhere. All right, I went in, looked at my video where I took it apart, and I put the bolts in the right spot. I thought it was going to be a problem remembering where they went, but it wasn't. I knew that the bolts did not go around the perimeter because the oil pan goes on the perimeter. So I knew every bolt on the inside, except for that one. This one's actually on the inside too, because those are the pan bolts for the pan. So all the bolts are in the right spot, even though this one right here seems like it don't want to go in. I don't know. I'm gonna switch it up in a second. But they are in the right spot. Okay, so now this plate is not exactly going down right. I guess it will. Let's go here. Worried about that. Oh hell! Oh yeah, that's right. That's right. The main bearing bolts got to go down. I was worried about this part sitting down, but when you put the main bearing bolts in, it'll push it on down. At least that's what I guess. Alright, so I still got to put the damn rod bearings in. So let me get So I guess I need to get the piston rings and get ready to put the pistons in, I guess. So you don't worry about the crank falling out no more. Wish my hand was so damn big. I was getting ready to go get my rings when I noticed there's a bunch of damn grime on the side of my engine right there. And I'm like, damn, I thought I cleaned this engine. So hurt my finger. All right, sorry if the camera is moving, but I think that looks a lot better than it was. Thought I had cleaned everything off. Oil in number 1. And which way does it go? It's number 1, and it's pointing that way. I don't think it's gonna go in because this thing is not perfectly round. I remember last time I had a problem because I didn't have the piston flat. I didn't have this flat. And already. Oh no, that's not it. I thought the compressor had popped. Alright, so the ring, the piston is in there. Maybe I got the piston too damn tight. It went in and stopped. It should just go in. I had this problem last time.